Okay, welcome back. I hope you took a little break after that last video. This is week 3, video number 4. And in this video, I wanted to just quickly go over using the template, modifying the template to create your own references page. So I'm back in Word and I'm back in the template here, and I'm just going to scroll down to the references page. And remember, again, all the formatting is done for you here. Okay, so we're going to take a look at a book and an article and just go over how we would create the references entry for that. So I'm going to go to an ebook. And you can see on the screen, I've already pulled up a book. It's called Waxing for Dental Students, and it's by Rowinda Abdallah. I'm going to click on the title of that book so I can get information about the book. And I'm going to pull the information that I need from the actual record for the book. So here's my book title, Waxing for Dental Students, my author, my publisher, my year. Okay, so everything I need to create a references entry. So I'm going to go into the template, and because my author's last name starts with A, I'm going to put it right up at the top, and I'm going to type in her last name, comma, first initial, period. I remember that my year of publication was 2018. Type that into a bracket. Then I'm going to type in the name of the book. So I'm going to switch to italics, and it was Waxing for Dental Students. I'm going to switch out of italics now, period, after the title of the book. It's going to double check here again. I don't remember the publisher's name. Quintessence Publishing Co. Okay, so actually, just to make it a bit easier, I'm just going to Control C and copy that. And I'm going to paste special unformatted. And I'm going to put a period at the end. Okay, so quick and easy to do an entry for a book. All the information that you need is in that library catalog. So once you find the book, take a look at the entry in the library catalog, pull the information that you need. Let's go over again what you're going to do when you're doing a journal article. And I know I showed this to you quickly. I have pulled up a journal article here via EBSCOhost. And I can see all sorts of information there. I can take a look at the detailed record if I want. So if I just click on that, oops, it wants me to log in again. Whoops, not ready here. Let me just go back to it. And I'm just going to do a search on practical nursing and pull that article again. Practical nursing, I'm going to limit to full text, do a search. And I'm just going to, I remember my article was here. Okay, Practical Nurses, Health and Safety in Nursing Homes. There's the title of my article. My authors are in there, my volume, my issue, the name of the journal that it comes from, all sorts of information. Remember to use the cheat. Okay, so to get into that, I'm going to click on PDF full text for the article. I'm going to go over to the side here, and I'm going to click on this yellow page. I'm going to make sure that the citation format that I'm copying and pasting is the one for APA. So I do have to scroll down a little bit. Here it is. I'm going to highlight just that entry. I'm going to highlight the whole entry. I'm going to Control C to copy. I'm going to go into my references page. This time I'm going to take out all of my examples. And I'm going to paste special, unformatted text. It gives me the whole entry, but I still need to do some of my formatting. Okay, so I look fine here. So I'm double checking. All the authors' names are there. The year is there. Title of my article is there. This I do need to change. So this is the name of the Journal of Health and Human Services Administration. I need to put that into italics. My volume number comes in here. I'm going to have to put that into italics as well. And then the last thing I'm going to need to do is to move the second and third line over so that I'm doing the indentation properly. So remember again for that, I'm going to put my cursor right here at the second line. I'm going to hit enter one time and nothing happens, but then I'm going to hit tab. Put my cursor at the third line, tab over, and I'm done. Okay, so very easy. You get faster once you start doing this a lot. So you may be a little bit slower if this is your first time using this kind of stuff. But believe me, you do get quick with it after a while. It just takes a few times trying it to really sort of get the hang of it. Our assignment's going to be coming up. I'm going to be asking you in the assignment to do a references page. So I'm going to be asking you to actually follow sort of exactly what I've done here. So you're going to be doing some entries for some different sources. I will give you instructions about how to do that in our next video, and there'll also be an assignment handout for you. Okay, again, remember when you're using the library, if you have any problems at all, when you're using the library, you can use that library web chat. So again, I'll just go to the library's main page just to remind you where that is. And over here on the side, right, I have the chat function. When the library is open, there is somebody there and waiting to chat with you. So if you run into any kind of problems as you're trying to find material, remember that you can always use the chat function. Okay, so short little video this time, just going through the template. Our next video, I'll go over the assignment instructions.